The Prime Minister, in her wisdom, asked for a number of town hall meetings, particularly in areas where we saw that the data relating to child abuse was at a spike. We're here to have an open, honest, and courageous conversation with you. We also instituted a best practices program for the standards of care at the Maxfield Park Children's Home. Prime Minister, my heart full, because this is a dream of all of us, including you. I have asked them to make the necessary recommendations so that our systems and procedures are improved to reinforce the appropriate culture necessary for child protection. That program of therapeutic intervention is so necessary that we're going to bolster it, and we're going to make sure that there's a space in every single parish for therapy for children in state care so that they can get the help. We've also reduced the number of children that went missing last year, Mr. Speaker, by 10%. The practice of keeping silent and not giving the evidence to convict the perpetrators who abuse them must stop.
Come on and smile. In Jamaica, y'all. Get it together, y'all. In Jamaica. Get it together now.
We are already setting up and getting reports that the Blue and Jonkra Mountains is seeing an increase in local and international visitors.
Sweet Jamaica is now on the move. Help me with my song and let the people them come sing along.
With the assistance of UNESCO, we have created a data bank of the intangible cultural heritage of many communities island-wide.
Take up your books, then people let us go. Call out the youth and brother, let us show. Sweet Jamaica, we really want to grow.
We'll also be producing a cultural passport for thousands of students at the secondary level. This year's National Festival on Emancipation Independence is expanded and it is enhanced to include the commemoration of the 150th anniversary of the Morant Bay Rebellion.
Sweet Jamaica is now on the
I am pleased to announce that the government of Jamaica is partnering with the Japanese government to enhance the technological capacity of the Institute of Jamaica.
This is the land of my birth. I said this is the land of my birth.
We must work to protect our culture in all its forms, physically and artistically. This year, we're spending $344.6 million on youth programs, and we have even bolstered them even more, on top of the ones that we have there, to impact about 15,000 young people. I've tasked the NYS to work closer to the members of Parliament, to come to you personally and design training programs with you. This reintegration program, Mr. Speaker, will be a multi-sectoral approach, and it will address issues in this group. We're hoping to reduce crime, we're hoping to reduce delinquent behaviors in secondary school, and we're hoping to increase self-acceptance. Today we table the youth policy, and we expect this to galvanize the focus of the country on the importance of youth development to secure the nation's future. This should be the mandate of us all, to get our youth connected, to get our youth satisfied, to get our children protected. Let us keep connected.